Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use calendar for your monday.com projects or monday.com, let's say dashboard or board that you have here. So let's say that I'm going to create a calendar. How can I add a calendar to my monday.com? That's the first question. So I'm going to click add a view, and then I'm going to find a calendar. If I can find any more views, I will click more views here, and I can find the calendar right here. Opening the board, and look at this, what we got here, calendar. You can also change the name of it, and what I can do, I can simply make it bigger like this. And what we can find here, you can find for every day what is actually happening. You can drag the widget if you want to and move it. You can filter everything here. Then my recommendation, guys, is many times if you can go full screen, and I will show you how you can change the settings and everything here. So what you can do, you can simply click here and add. I can add an item. So let's say this is going to be YouTube video number 2. Person is going to be me. Status, working on it. And that date is going to be for 4. Create item. Now you can actually find anyone here, and you see the YouTube video here. So I can simply click here and go to settings and change the project planning here by person, or choose groups, or like edit these if you want to. So when I'm going to click add here, let's say this is going to be YouTube number 4 or number 3, and person is going to be me, status, working on it, date, and I can add a time tracking, formula, cost 2. These are all that columns that I added, and I would add a create item. See, I got it right here, YouTube number 3. So I'm going to like full screen it again, and I can find it. So this is how we do it, and you can simply switch between persons here, between people. Now you can also have the display type if you want it as a table or split mode. So if you're gonna have like split mode here, this is really great when you can have a calendar, and then also you can have this month, next month under it. So let's say if I'm going to filter that I want to see only myself, right? What will happen? So let's say I want to filter only person. Voila, I see only that. Then you can unclick it. This is really simple. Like let's say I want to filter group only this month. I want to filter working on it, and directly you're gonna have the calendar changed, and also you're gonna have changed like under it, the table. So what you can do, as I mentioned in the settings, choose which columns data to view in this calendar, date, color by. You can have by group, by board, by person, by status. You can have also additional settings that you can show hours here and show color legend, and you can choose groups here. So that's something you can do too, and you can do it here. Now when I would go again to do 3 spots, I can exit the full screen, and you can simply move the task. So when you're in a calendar and you want to find like, okay, what is actually happening, and you want to get a task for Saturday, for Sunday, for Wednesday, for Thursday, for like, let's say, like next 4 weeks, you can do it like that. Also, what you can do, guys, is not have for today, but have it by a week or a day. So I can go simply and click here on the arrow and go by weeks, by days, or by months. That's something you can also edit and change. So that's really great. What you can do also, guys, when you're gonna have like your dashboard here, you can add a widgets here. So let's say I'm going to add a numbers, or I can add more widgets, so we can have combined widgets. So that's what you can do too with the boards. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, regards it, and what you can do, you can have it, and then you get also the time tracking here that I can add. But this is pretty much how you can use the calendar. It's nothing really that much difficult to use, and I believe you can already use it. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Now again, you just click plus here, more views, and you add a opening board, you add a calendar, and you're just working on it. So have a great day and goodbye. Now, I'm thinking what else would I show you, but this is pretty much it. So yeah, see ya.